problem, to say the absolute least.
Merced.
Hey guys, it's your girl Merced. Welcome back to another video. It's been so long, I know. I'm like literally the worst person to ever create content or just do anything in life in general. So yeah, but today I look crusty, so like literally do not mind me. But I've just like been feeling a little weird lately, and you know, I shop a lot, and that's not anything that's like new. Anyone who knows me or anything of me, like I just have a shopping problem, and that's just pretty much that. So I've gotten a lot of things. As you can see, some things in back, most of them on sale, because I mean, who doesn't love a good sale? Just for the F of it, you know. Not really like going purposely to buy these things, just I seen them, I went to the store, got them, and that was pretty much that. So yeah, we're gonna get into this fucking haul video, and here we go. Start with this one. There's like a lot of different things mixed in a lot of different bags, so if I just like show the bag, it doesn't necessarily mean that that's where I got it from. It's just kind of like I was tired of seeing a bunch of bags, so I just kind of put everything in like 2 big bags and a box. So I got these like sunglasses. Okay, I love sunglasses, and they're both from this store called Discovery. It's kind of like your Fashion Nova, but like cheaper. Yeah, cheaper, because it's not like they have some expensive things on Fashion Nova, but usually I like to go to like see their accessories and just to see kind of like the little things that they have up on display or whatever. So like the first pair is this pair. These were $4.99, and I just literally think they're so cute. Like, who are you talking to? Don't talk to me. You know, like these are those types of sunglasses, so love these for me. And then the second pair that I got, I really just got these for like Valentine's Day looks. Like I'm probably not even gonna wear these and post them, but you know, I'm gonna try. These are just like some cool little like eyewear, like real Valentine's Day, real like I love, but I also hate it and it makes me throw up type of look. These were $3.99, so like I thought that was like really cute, like a really good price or whatever. And then like I stopped wearing acrylic nails for quite some time now. I use press-ons, and I make like my press-ons look as real as possible. Like I can do a video and show you guys how I do that. I don't have anything on now because like I just have been lazy, but that's just like whatever, you know. So I got these, and they were $1.97 at Ulta, and they're just literally so cute. Like I can't wait to wear them. Didn't buy these anywhere. So at the same store, Discovery, I got this shirt, and this shirt was $3.99, and it says Brunch Squad. I just like live for crop sweaters, like so cute. This was $1.99. It's kind of just like a regular like tank. It also kind of has like this belt at the bottom. Yes, that's one bag. Let's just do some makeup. I went to this local beauty store where I live in Chicago, and I picked up some eyelashes. They have like most of their eyelashes for $1, which I think is like super fucking awesome. Like this is natural hair. Some of them are human hair. Like it really just depends on what they have at that time. They have different styles and stuff, so I got like a bunch of them. These are what they look like. So these are just some of them that I got. These are by Amore Us USA, and these are also $1. And oh my god, the style 102 in them is just literally to die for. I bought like 5 pairs of that alone. So this is what it looks like. This is the style 805, style in number 30, and this is 218. I tend to switch up from very dramatic to like simple. Well, right now I have like my eyelashes done because I got my first ever eyelash extension, which was a really great experience. Here is another style in 101. I know there's like more around here, but I'm not gonna look for them. So there's another one in 218. And then I just got like some lip gloss because we literally love glossy lips over here. And then I got in white and in black a bold eyeliner because I didn't have any more for the inside. So for my waterline to tightline, all that stuff. So here, I also got a lip gloss. A Diamond Glow lip gloss by Nickack New York Cosmetics. This is cute, like check this out. Okay, super cute. It's like rose gold pinkish, super cute. And then I went to Sephora, God bless me, and I picked up a lot of Huda Beauty products. I picked up the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and I got it in Pound Cake. This is literally the cutest, like I just love it. It opens up like this, and then like here's the little packaging, like what it comes in, the powder. I just think that's so cute. I got them. I also got the Huda Beauty foundation. I got this actually like a month ago, and I really just really loved it. It literally matches me, and this is in the shade Baklava 340G. Like it matches my body perfect. And I've never found a foundation that matches me perfect. Like it's so hard. And then I got the Overachiever concealer in 10N Coconut Flakes. Such a bomb concealer, such a bomb foundation, such a bomb loose powder. I picked up another Fenty Beauty gloss bomb because I literally don't know what the hell happened to mine. It was here and then it wasn't, and that's pretty much how that went. I got these at Forever 21. They were on sale for $3. Actually, it was buy one get one, and I got some hoochie hoops, and then I got these. Win. While I was at Ulta, I picked up some of these products. Makeup Revolution lip topper in Exquisite. This is literally so pretty. Like you really can't like see it, but it's like rose goldish champagne-y color. And it's a gloss, a lip topper, but it feels like a gloss, and it goes on top of your lips, like duh. I haven't opened any of these things yet except for like the Huda Beauty foundation. But I'm so excited for these things. Like I just waited so long to film this video, and I've just been busy, you know, and it just takes a long time to do all these things. So I got this fast base concealer in the shade C2. I like a really light under eye. This is what I ended up getting from MAC. It is the Studio Finish concealer, but it's so good, and I just have to start using all this stuff. Oh, and also from Ulta, I got this Morphe lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss. Like, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to you. Like, it's in the shade Flower Crown. So good. This is my second one. And then I went to the NYX store. I got the NYX pore filler. I got the little small tube just in case I didn't like it, so we're gonna try it out. And I got the Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. Cause we can't stop, and we won't stop. And wait for it. I got the foundation. You know what I'm saying. I just got the foundation today. Legitimately cannot wait to try that because I just feel like I've seen so many good reviews on it that I just feel like it'd be great. And I also got a lip liner. The reason I got this lip liner is because I went to the Morphe store. Like, what else am I gonna do? You know what I'm saying? So I went to the Morphe store. I ended up getting Nightmare. Okay, nightmare alert. Like, I ended up getting the Fluidity foundation and concealer. I will insert a clip here to show you my reaction towards the foundation. Like, I literally picked the perfect match. Like, the perfect match for me, okay? Like, when I put it on, the second time, like not even the second time, but like I tested the first one at the store and it looked great. It matched me. I did a flash test. It looked great. Came home, the same foundation. I did not change the numbers. I didn't mix anything up on accident. Like the same foundation made me look green. I have like an olive undertone. I was legit casket ready. It was just so bad. It was so bad. It was fine when I went in the sunlight, but every time I came in front of a camera or I came in front of my studio lights, it was like green. I didn't even open up the concealer. Like I just was so annoyed with the foundation and I was just so distraught that it did not work. I ended up just taking it back. Okay, you gotta watch to the end to see the giveaway. Back to the lip liner. I ended up getting this Morphe lipstick in the shade Hot Shot. It is so pretty. Like, ooh. We went to TJ Maxx. My friend and I went to TJ Maxx, and I found the Locket, the Kat Von D Locket brightening powder in the shade Golden there. And guess how much I got it for? You guessed it. $6. It was marked down. Do you see this? Like $6, okay? And then I also got a Anastasia lipstick. It's in the shade Honey, and this was $7.99. I think that's like a total win. And then when I was at Walmart the other day, I got the Equate Beauty Sculpting Sponge. It's perfect for overall blending. I feel like it can get into like the creases and the crevices of your face really well. It is soft, so I'm super excited to try this. And then I got this shirt at Walmart. This sweater is the sweater that I took this picture in. It's on my Instagram, go like it. Sweater, $3 or $5 below. I got this like windbreaker type of jacket. It's like this cute pastel pink, $5. And then I got this shirt that says Females of the Future. I wanted a shirt resembling some type of women empowerment. And then I went to Akira. Akira always takes my money, like always. They had buy one, get one $1, okay? Did you hear me correctly? I said buy one, get one $1. Shoes. Heels, okay? I love heels. The first pair, each pair was $30, but since it was buy one get one $1, I think in total I spent like 33 or 34 bucks for both pairs. And these are black suede pumps. This is the deal. Like, look at this. We are about to find a sugar daddy, a baby daddy, a regular daddy. No, I'm just kidding. But these are the heels, and they're literally so cute. They're red heels. I don't own red heels. These are the first pair of red heels ever, and they are the fucking cutest. This is what they look like, okay? I also live for pointy heels, in case you haven't noticed. Yes, they have these little like jewel thingies, circle thingies going around the entire shoe, and then it like laces with this. I think that's all I got. I just feel like this seemed like it was more than it actually was, and it like really wasn't. Hey? So like, okay, giveaway time. This is going to be my first giveaway ever. I'm excited. I'm so excited. It's fun. It's cute. It is by BH Cosmetics. Okay, it came in this like cute little plastic protective clear bag. It's not even clear, it's red. I am giving away 3 items. Nothing is swatched, nothing's touched. I did open it to check it to make sure it wasn't broken. But besides that, everything is intact, everything is in the package, everything has not been touched. And the first thing is this Brilliance bronzer. It's a satin finish bronzer, a lipstick, and this is a liquid linen lipstick. Anyway, it's this color here. This is such a cute color. This BH Cosmetics 26 Shadow and Blush palette. It is a neutrals palette. I think it's really cute and it's really simple. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to me on YouTube, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. That is legitimately all. Like, super easy. I will put links to everything in my description box, so you don't even have to do anything. You don't even have to do anything. All you have to do is click the description box tab, go down, click my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, like this video, subscribe to me. I will be checking for each and every one. And that is how you get put into the giveaway. I hope that you all liked this video. I hope that you stood till the end and you watched it all. Follow me on Snapchat, on Instagram, on Twitter. All my links and handles will be here. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I mean, why not? Why not? It literally does not hurt you. It doesn't. It really does not. It doesn't. Like, it just doesn't. Make sure you enter the giveaway. I'm so excited. I can't wait to start doing giveaways. Like, I'm fortunate enough to have this extra stuff to give to you guys. So on the 20th of February, I will be announcing the winner. And I will be announcing the winner via Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, and as well as like the video and subscribe to my channel so I can reach out to you. I will be posting the winner on my Instagram story 7:00 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I hope you guys love this video. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, all of that and the third. And I will see you on the next one. I mean, maybe I won't, because who knows when I'll upload again.